Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. If you guys can see by my nails, they are covered in paint, and that can only mean one thing. We are going to be doing a little bit of a room makeover in this video. I'm very excited. These are my most favorite videos to make, and also the most rewarding, definitely the most work, but it pays off. So let me just give you guys a little bit of background. Background. So as you guys probably know, I have two brothers. I am the youngest of three. I have Tate, you guys see him a lot, and I also have Eli, the brother that you guys don't see that much, the mysterious brother that was in a video and everyone was like, wait a second, you have two brothers? Everyone just thought it was me and Tate. And that's because Eli lives a little bit further away, but I love him all the same. But anyways, so last year Eli got married to his wife of like 7 years. They were together since grade 8. Their wedding quote was grade 8 to the wedding date. So they got married and they had been living in a 1-bedroom apartment, and they have 2 bunnies, a hamster, they had 2 birds, one just passed away sadly. Freddie, rest in peace, Freddie. And they also just reserved a big golden retriever / mountain Saint Bernard, it gets really big. So they have many, and also their building is no pets, might I add. But yeah, basically from all that, you guys can probably assume they needed a little bit more space. So they recently put a down payment on a house, and this house is definitely, it's got great bones. It's a little bit of a fixer-upper house. It's a little bit dated, but I went walking through it the other day and I just started to get really excited because the idea of a flip house or a renovating house or a house that needs paint or it just has so much potential. I just can't help but get overwhelmingly excited. So basically, while I was walking through their house, I was thinking of something I could get them as a housewarming gift. I was like, ooh, maybe I'll get them some bath mats. Maybe they need a new shower curtain. Maybe I could paint their backsplash. And that's actually why my hands are covered in white paint, is because they're painting their whole house white. It's a bunch of different colors. There was hunter green, there was this navy blue, there was browns, taupes, everything. So they just are doing a clean slate of white. So I've been helping out with that. That's what this paint is from. But I thought a fun moving in gift would be as if I secret renovate, well, not secret, they know, but a surprise makeover on the master bedroom. So basically I asked them if they were into that, and they were, and now we're here. There's a lot that needs to be done. There needs to be painting, decorating, building, lots of sanding. You guys will see the room. It's actually a really great size, and it has brand new carpet, so that's nice. But you guys will see the color on the wall and the wallpaper isn't doing the most for it, so hopefully we can elevate it a little bit. So basically this is going to be my housewarming gift to my brother and his wife, and I just hope that it all turns out good. I've been racking my brain for very long now on how I was going to decorate it, and I think I've got a pretty good idea. Today I want to head over there and paint. We're going to be painting white and also matte black. I have never painted with, actually I have painted black. Yeah, I have, but I've never painted matte black for a room I'm designing. So I'm very curious. It's going to be very interesting. If you guys have watched any of my other renovation videos, then you guys probably know I absolutely love doing this. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for making this possible, that I can go and do little room makeovers for people. It's honestly the most fun thing ever. These are my favorite videos to film. They're so much work, but they're just so much fun. I don't know, I just really love it. So hopefully you guys like watching this. I'll try and make it as entertaining as possible. So I'm gonna head over to Eli and Hannah's house, gonna measure it up, go get the paint, and hopefully finish painting today. It's a little ambitious, but we're gonna try. So I gotta go. I gotta get painting. I just painted all day yesterday for 8 hours, and I gotta paint again. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we're at Eli and Hannah's house. As you guys can see on the walls, we have the second coat or third?
Second coat.
It doesn't really matter, but second coat of white. And then when you come in here, you can see the master bedroom is untouched completely. My domain. No one has stepped foot, done anything in here. As you guys can see, this is a kind of a burnty orange taupe on the walls. And then over the windows, there are these little curtains, very dated. I think it was an older couple in this house beforehand. And on every single wall, there's a little hanger. I just can't help but be like, all the stuff is hanging so high. Like the pictures will be like super high. Around the roof there's also this wallpaper, and hopefully we'll just be able to pull this right off. There's a little bit of a tag right there. But okay, so the layout of the room is it's very narrow and long. So this way I think it's around 14 feet, and then this way it's around 11, and then over in here there's this little like walkway closet, and as you guys can see it's like this kind of fake wood, and my hope for that is to paint it and do different knobs. It's got these brassy knobs, and then this walks into a bathroom. So it's a really nice layout of a bedroom. The baseboards are also very, very thin, but hopefully once it's painted white, it will all just blend in. And the feature wall, which is matte black, is going to be this wall right here. A lot of the pictures that Eli sent me as inspo had a black wall. I don't even think if he knew it. It just is kind of like a cozy feeling. So we'll see if he likes it. We won't know until it's all done. So we're gonna go get paint. I'm gonna try and rip these borders off really quick just before we go, in hopes that they're easy, because if they won't come off, then we gotta sand them off. So you know what, actually before we go, let me just get this off. This has been a bone of contention for me. I feel better already. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna quickly go up. What the? I have mascara all over my eyelid. No. I haven't even done anything yet. All right, I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna see if I can pull it, because it's giving a little bit right here. So let us see. I think my camera isn't focusing. All right, let's see. Come on up. Interesting. It's not going to peel off too seamlessly. You know what it will be? Pulling that off, then spraying it with water, wetting it, and then using the putty knife. That is so unsatisfying because it's leaving like a perfect other piece right here. Oh, that is just so satisfying. I love that edge. Hannah was very adamant that she wanted all of you guys to know that she didn't put this wallpaper up. They bought the house like this, and I don't want to shame anybody for putting up wallpaper. I'm sure at the time of application it was really in style. Oh wow, oh, yeah, there you go. It's coming off so easy. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Wonderful. We're just gonna do this to the whole room, you guys, until all of it's off. Bingy bong, bingy bing. We're done. Now I gotta get some paint. So I went and I figured out these a couple days ago, and I'm leaning towards this one. I'll point at it with my nose, that one. I would have initially thought this one, but it's kind of brown. You can't really tell until you really look at it. See, but it just depends always what light I'm in, because now it's looking gray. But I think this is a good one. This is gonna be for the feature on the one wall, and also on the closet doors, and the door into the bathroom. What is it called? It's called Subway. I like Subway. I can't ignore it any longer. I need to get painting. Ready? Alright. Who said there wasn't gonna be cool editing in this? So now we've got this room. We've got all the nails off. My mom's just working on filling it. I was just wiping this down because from what we put on here to get the wallpaper off, it seeped down the wall, so I had to like wipe it off, and it's a lot better. But like, my dad took off all of these window coverings, and now it looks a lot better. Good job, Dad.
Thank you.
I'm about to paint this wall. My mom is cutting it on the ground over there. My dad's cutting it on the roof right there, so I'm gonna get rolling. And hopefully we will have this room done really quickly. We'll see though. Whew. Okay, so now Many hours later, it is completely white. This is 3 coats. That tends to be how much paint it takes. Now we're gonna get started on the black wall right back here. Here's what it looks like. The girl at the store did not think I should do flat, so we'll see if she's right. Very stressful to not hit the roof. I'm going by the slow and steady wins the race. Excited to start rolling. That's the first coat. It's glossy right now, but it's actually gonna be flat, like matte. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. It really doesn't shrink this room, which I'm happy about. Looks a little brown right now because there was orange underneath, but it will be like jet black. Good morning, world. So we're here, it's the morning, and the closet doors dried really nice, very matte, and also this wall dried really good. I think that the black will only need 2 coats, whereas the white all needed 3 coats, but it is a lot darker on a dark wall. But yeah, it's looking super matte and super good. Woo. There we go. All right, the room is all complete. It's got the 3 white walls, the black wall, black closet doors. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna order all the stuff for everything. And I'm just gonna take this time to measure a little bit just to make sure everything will fit. But yeah, painting's done. That's usually the biggest thing that I feel stressed about is the painting. So now that it's done, it's all exciting from here.
I shut the breaker off so I can now take this off. This thing. That's what that looks like.
Good work, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Alright guys, we are back and there's a bunch of stuff. As you can see, we just did a ton of decor shopping. Me and my mom just got back, and over here there's a bunch of boxes. A ton of the furniture has delivered, so today we are going to be building a bunch of stuff. I'm wearing my dad's shirt because I was wearing a sweater and then I realized this room is like 30 degrees. So I have 2 helpers here with me today. Excellent enthusiasm, you guys. Dad, my mom, they're gonna help me build all the furniture. We have everything except the bed frame, so we're gonna be waiting on that, but we're gonna get everything else built today. Hopefully a lot of stuff hung up, so let's get started. Why is the lighting so bad every time I go to film? Son, relax. We're gonna finish the light that my dad started right here. We have the bulbs now, and also we're gonna put the globes on really fast. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It is so nice.
No smoke coming out of there?
No. Now we're gonna build the dresser that's gonna go against the black wall. It's a white dresser, so it's gonna like really pop. Just finished the drawers. Oh my goodness, was so difficult to put this together. Like, so difficult. So hopefully they love it. So I'm just gonna quickly put on these new little handles I got. Look at those. They're from HomeSense and they're so nice. They're like rock. And right now there's these brass ones that I think really dates it. So I'm gonna swap them over. All right, so we're going from this to this. We're here again. We're working on some stuff. My mom's just filling a few things in that desk drawers because yesterday putting it together was kind of difficult. But I also stepped on a nail and my mom is not taking me seriously about it. I'm thinking tetanus shot. I'm thinking I need an ambulance. And she's thinking it's not a big deal.
I think you're gonna be okay, honey. Honestly.
I sure hope so.
Yeah. I think you're gonna live.
I don't know. I'm honestly making jokes to cope, but I did step on a nail and I'm kind of freaked out. But anyways.
I am concerned though if it went like, if it had gone in deep, but I know it wasn't that deep.
You don't know the pain I'm feeling. It stings. But anyway, so today we're gonna be hanging up some stuff. We have to hang up the curtain rods, some of the curtains, the pictures, maybe do a little bit of decorating, and yeah, we're just gonna basically get it all ready for the bed to get in here so that when the bed gets here on Monday, which is, it's Friday right now, then we can just finish it off really quick.
Didn't bleed, but it made like a pinhead kind of blood drop, but it didn't like bleed out or anything. And the nail wasn't rusty. It's a clean. It poked the surface, yeah.
So what time did that happen at?
It would have been like half an hour ago, so what time is it now? I don't even know what time it is right now, but about half an hour ago.
And when you look at it, what does it look like? It's just like a small little pinhead.
It's like honestly, it's not even like it was a pinhead, but now it's just a little red area. It's not even really. It just looks like a little mosquito bite right now.
Does she walk on the foot at all?
Yeah.
Yeah. And she can walk 4 more steps.
Oh yeah, she can move around like nothing. Thank you. Okay.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, such exciting news. I just got here. So the bed delivered to my place. So I just went back for lunch and it was sitting on the doorstep. So here it is. The bed is here, which basically means we might be able to do the reveal tonight. We'll see if we get it done, but now we have the bed so we can make the bed. That makes so much sense. This blanket, I wish you guys could feel this blanket. It is so soft. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna do a little bit of decorating and then it's gonna be done. So I'm very excited. The reveal is gonna be today. Eli and Hannah have not seen anything, so very excited. Jeez, I'm losing it. I was just talking about how I was doing the pictures. I have all their pictures from their wedding to put in the frame, and I started doing this one on camera and then I realized I wasn't filming. But there we go. So this one's gonna get hung on the wall. Everybody gets a picture of Scooby. We're just gonna clean some stuff out and show Eli and Hannah. All right, you guys. Eli, Hannah, I'm very excited for you guys to see your room. I hope you love it. I took your inspo pics and I threw them out. And I did exactly what I wanted to do.
Okay.
That's good.
I've never disliked something that you've made.
Being an artist, that's what it's all about.
I mean, let's just remember what it looked like before. Go on in.
Ladies
I'm
first.
scared.
Oh my god.
Holy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This room is nuts.
Mia!
Mia, you put a self-portrait in our room.
Oh, Eli, look at that picture.
Scooby.
Aww. Such a good picture.
Oh my goodness, Eli, feel these.
Thanks, Mimo.
You're welcome. Hello. I guess I didn't do an intro, but they love it. Thank goodness. Thank you all so much for making this a possibility that I was able to do this for them. It wasn't just me, obviously. Thank you so much to my parents for helping me out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!